Dear friends, this is Narni city, and I feel very proud of our esteemed customers who visited Narni city corporate office for this venture which is spread over thousands of acres. And there are some thousands of respected customers who have trust in Narni city management. Dear friends, they came here, assembled here. They were in some hundreds and hundreds of numbers, and I really thank Mr. Gokul for facilitating to convey and communicate their feelings and experiences about Narni city, some problems, some grievances, so many other things were discussed, and I really feel very proud of a great in charge for the Narni city office in Bibinagar. He is Mr. Manohar, a retired soldier, a honest and sincere person. Rarely I have found a person of his honesty, integrity and humility and generosity. I really congratulate Mr. Gokul to have such kind of officers who are ready to do everything in the interest of the Narni city and also for the customers. He has given everything possible, whatever was expected from the customers. Lot of topics were discussed, and the team leader, Mr. Chandrasekhar, a wonderful friend and person, a person whose heart is filled with love and affection and kindness. He was very generous to give me few minutes to really communicate to the people of our Narni East City family. Dear friends, I was overwhelmed. Hundreds of gentle men and women, they were very happy and extended me warm welcome there. I stay there, as you know, I have my house there that came in 2000 with the blessings of the chairman and managing director of Narni city, our revered Colonel Ranga Rao. He extended all the facilities and everything has been put in order. But there were some problems which were discussed. I was for a very short while. The main problem was some problems about Bhutan and some kind of the government land. But the major problem was, according to me, because I stay there, the customers will face serious problem of entrance to the Narni city. There was earlier a main gate opposite to now AIMS connecting to the city, Warangal highway and bypass. That gate need kind attention of Mr. Gokul to be operated the earliest and the fastest, because this is such a prestigious venture, Chandigarh of South. It must have a gallant and very beautiful entrance gate, because face is an index of mind. And that request, I think, has been recorded by Mr. Manohar. It will be communicated to the managing director and the management team of the esteemed Narni city corporate office, Ganrak Enclave. I was very happy. People are showing lot of interest now because AIMS has come. This has become a district, Yadadri district, and there I see a lot of future. The land rate is really touching a sky limit. Bibinagar, acres of land are sold at 3 crores, and the plots are in the vicinity of Bibinagar, 20, 25, 30,000 depending on the location. So I really congratulate the customers of Narni city. You are very foresighted. That's why I bought the land long back. All lands are not disputed. There are few lands which are only disputed, but when it was developed, it was not at all disputed. Later on, some kind of people who really did not like the glory and greatness of Narni city and has some problem with its developer, they created nuisance, but everything can be solved. I addressed the gathering and suggested them, calm down, every problem has a solution, but be very fair in your own mind. Be ready to solve the problems. Mr. Gokul is a wise man. He is a young man from America. He is an NRI. He knows how to deal with problems and how to solve the problems. We should express our trust. But I saw some of my friends were little worried, anxious and puzzled, and they were not happy, because if you are unhappy, if you are really trying to create some problems, definitely problem will create more problem for you. Solution comes when you seek solutions. There has to be give and take, because your land is very precious, beloved customers. You should not create any kind of problem there. Every problem has a solution, but you have to be very firm also. As you were not there for a long time, you have to show your existence and persistence and presence there. And let Honorable Gokul know that the mighty customers, they have now willpower, they have determination, they have courage, they have conviction to really start construction. And I request Mr. Gokul to extend wholehearted cooperation. Somebody was saying development charges. Yeah, it's must. But there has to be development. There has to be street light. There has to be road all around. There has to be park. There has to be water supply. And all these things needs again re-attention. Because this was done 20, 30 years back. I don't know how much they are in order. They have maybe plastics have deteriorated, the pipelines and all these. That has to be supremely paid attention. And rectification and all kind of maintenance has to be done. Maintenance charge is genuine. But without any maintenance, if you ask maintenance charge, please say, is there any justification for that? Street lights, where is the street light, sir? Roads, where are the roads? Main gate, where is the main gate? There are multiple problems. But I have optimism and I have trust and believe in Mr. Gokul's wisdom, intelligence, and his belief and faith in the customers. I have been a very close friend of him. I was in his heart, and I know how great man he is. Some understanding was developed by somebody. I also request Mr. Gokul to remove those misunderstanding. I am non-aligned person. I am Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, friend of everyone. I don't align with any forces. The real estate business itself is very troublesome. Everyone wants to be millionaire very soon, so there is a lot of hinky-pinky business going on. I am not a man who will indulge in these kind of things. I am your customer, Mr. Gokul, like any thousands of customers. I have connectivity with you, but I have love and affection for birds, fish, animal, plants and humans. I have no hatred for anyone. Hate is not the solution of problems. Love is the solution of problems. Be connected, Mr. Gokul, with me. And guide me also how I should convince our esteemed customers. I want to know your mind. What is your intention? What I should convey them? Because I am there, so they all come to me. You can ask Mr. Manohar. I told what I felt. But they have some problems. Let's come together, unite, and make this great heaven on earth, the Chandigarh of South, a reality. Is it not so, sir? Thank you very much. Sisters and brothers, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed customers, the developers, the builders, and every member of that family of Narni city. I solemnly salute you, respect you, welcome you to unitedly fulfill the dreams of our respected leader Colonel Ranga Rao come true. Chandigarh of South, unparalleled. Cannot find anything better than Chandigarh of South, that is Narni city. Thank you, viewers.